this rice cooker, it starts from 2. Let's look at the other rice cooker. This one starts from 1. Then you have 3. And to the maximum 5. Also, there's a symbol L, which means liter. 1 means 1 cup of rice. Pour the water until the level 1. 2 cups of rice. Pour the water until the level 2. Can you see? And then there's 3 and 4 and 5. Understand now? However, if you want to make porridge, like what I'm doing now, pour the water more than 1. So here, I actually have 2 cups of rice. I put 3. After almost going to cook, if you need more water, then only you add in. So I'm going to make porridge now, and I'm going to throw everything inside the rice cooker and make it cook, so I don't have to cook separately. What happens is that I was trying to make porridge, but it's my first porridge actually, so not enough water. That's why you see it. It's rice, but it's not enough water to make it more watery. Thank you. Bye bye.